Hey, this is Ghost. I'm just going to give a quick tutorial on noise reduction in Audacity. It's really quick. If you got some stupid audio like I got that you just want to clean up a little bit, hey, it's easy. It's easy. So first you just play it. Just play it.
My ear itches. Okay. You like that call out?
So as you can see, there's like music playing in the background, and already this is probably getting a copyright strike. So it's really good. So all you gotta do is go like to here, and like that should probably be just music. Yeah, so it's just music. So then you go up here and you go to effect, and down here it's called noise reduction. Now you have to do this the first time, so just you have it selected, just the area you want to get rid of, and you click on get noise profile. Then you want to do Control A, and that selects your entire track here. You know what I'm saying? So then you do the same effect, but you could just go right here. You could do Control R if you want. I always just click it because I'm an idiot. So I click that, and as you can see in the waveform, you can see it pulled out a lot of crap. That was the song. And let's select all again and just play it.
My ear itches. Okay. You like that call out?
So as you can see, it's like it's taking a lot of that song out. Let's try and find some more. That's pure song. So we go back to effect. Now, see, I selected again. So now I have to go to this part to get the profile. Control A, effect, repeat it. So now it's got that out. Let's try it again.
My ear itches. Okay. You like that call out?
Yeah, it's getting there, Let's see if there's any. That sounds like a mouse click, to be honest. Let's try this part. That's a mouse click. I think you guys get the idea. It's not a perfect science to this because a lot of times you're not going to be able to get all of it out, but you could get a good deal out to like stop things. Like let's say I'm not going to do it for this one, which is stupid, but let's say you had like a mic hum or a problem with your ground with your mic with your audio equipment. Sometimes you'll hear a hiss or something in the background. You can use this, select that area where there's nothing, get rid of it, and just clean up your audio. I don't do that because I'm an idiot, like I said, but you should do it because you're smart. So, yeah. How the fuck do you end the video? Yeah, thanks for watching, I guess. I don't even know. Hopefully you learned something.